Hello guys, welcome to next video of this playlist Python for beginner. From last video we have started about learning Tkinter package which is useful for creating GUIs in Python. So let's continue exploration of Tkinter package. For that let's move to our destination folder. So this is our destination folder as you can see, and today is day 22. So let's open this folder in VS Code. As you can see, the VS Code is open in this folder. Now let's open the file. So this is a simple file of episode 22. The title is labels and entry widgets. In last video we have already covered some Tkinter basics such as what is window, how to give title, how to adjust width and height of the Tkinter window, what is this windows.mainLoop function. Now let's explore one step ahead. So we will be exploring labels and entry widgets. Labels mean that normally the text fields that appear, all the messages that we want to print on the window, and entry is simply to take user inputs as I have written here. So I will simply show you the output and then explain you the code. So let's run the program. So this is a simple Tkinter output with the label as hello Tkinter, and this is the entry widget or user input. As you can see, I can type anything here according to my wish. So let's keep this open and I will try to explain the code. So this is Tkinter window. So the line number 10 is label equal to tk.label, which means the tkinter.label. So this .label method is already available in Tkinter package. Firstly, we have to pass here window name. So the window name is window in our case, so I have simply passed here window. But in general case, the window name is normally root. So it's okay to use any name, by the way. Then the text. So what is this text? Hello Tkinter. It has directly appeared here. And if I want to increase or decrease the font size of this text, I can simply add here comma, and a lot of methods are available in front of me. So let's increase the font. So I will simply type font. As you can see, the suggestion has already appeared. So I will simply hit enter and let's make it let's say 25. Now I will simply close this window and run it once again to show the output. So if you notice, the size of this label has increased. So this is the use of this font method to increase and decrease the font size. You can also add font family of yourself by just adding a comma and searching for font family. So this line is clear, I hope. And label.pack. This pack method is simply used to pack this label in this Tkinter window. So this was a basic explanation of pack, and now next is entry widget. So entry widget is similar to the label widget or label method that is already created in Tkinter package, and I have simply just passed here window so that the entry widget will be displayed on the window, which is here. And I can also give various user inputs, such as I can simply change the width and height of it, but let's change the color of text. So I will simply make the color of text as, let's say, blue. So let's save the program. I will simply close this now and run it once again. So this is a hello Tkinter, and let's try to type some text. So I will simply type let's say Aditya. So as you can see, that text color has changed from black to blue. In this way you can just do more customization by adding your comma and exploring all the methods or options that are available to you. So this was all about basic understanding of labels and entry widgets in Tkinter. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share it to the family and friends. Also, the source code of today's video is available in video description. You can definitely check out that. And if you face any queries while running this code, or you have some doubts related to Tkinter, you can simply message me on Instagram or in comment section below. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.